Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katrina Chantel. Today we are doing a Boxy charm unboxing. It is December. This is the December box. Also, as I unbox this box, I'm gonna kind of be using each product so you will see how it looks and everything, and I can kind of give you like a live review. So the first thing we got was from Cosmetics. It is their Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. So I'm going to put this on and try this out and see how I like it. Alright, so I have the mask on now. Just for you ladies who are looking to maybe buy this mask retails for $30. What it actually does is it helps to brighten your skin, and it kind of helps to pull all the dirt out of your pores. So I have to leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes, so I will be right back. Woo! Alright, so I washed that mask off. My face feels amazing. It feels soft. I don't know about it being brighter, but my skin feels good. That's all I care about. The next thing we got was the Protégé palette from Suva Beauty, or Suva Beauty. Someone please tell me how that's supposed to be said, because I'm really not sure. But yes, this is the palette that we got. These are the colors that we got. And this is my finished makeup look. How do you guys like it? I'm just saying. I'm cute. The next thing I got was from Bodyography. It is their lip liner. The color I got it in was Heatherberry. It's this nice kind of like pinkish tone. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like a kind of pinkish, nudie kind of a tone. I kind of like it. The next thing I got was from Tarte Cosmetics. It is one of their glitter lip paints. I got the color Insta Famous, nice and glittery and cute. I don't know if you guys can see on my lips, but it's just like a nice like shimmery tone. I like it because I feel like I can wear this lipstick every single day. The last thing I got was from Pretty Vulgar. It is their Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder. So this is here it is. I think it's really cute. It even comes with this little poof. Ooh. I'm just saying, it's cute. But that's everything I got. So that was my box for this month, you guys. I appreciate you guys for watching this video to the end. I hope you guys enjoy my makeup look. Maybe I'll do it again for you guys one day. Before you guys leave, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Enjoy the rest of y'all's day.